Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your math period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, open your math book, page number 47. This is page number 47, beta. Write today's date and day over here. Today, inshallah ta'ala, we will start new exercise 3B. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Part number A, 1 upon 3 of 12 is equal to 1 upon 3 of 12 means 1 upon 3 multiplied by 12. We can write this like this, 1 upon 3 multiplied by 12. Now you know, here we can do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means that numerator can be divided by denominator, or numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So here we are seeing that 1 upon 3 multiplied by 12. So 12 is numerator and 3 is denominator. So 12 can be cancelled out by 3. So we will do it. 3 1 is 3 and 3 4s are 12. So here, now in numerator, 1 multiplied by 4. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 upon, in denominator only 1. So we can write this 4 upon 1 as 4. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 12 is equal to 4. Okay. Now come to part B. 3 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 9 is equal to dash. Let's solve it. So here beta 3 upon 5 multiplied by 15 upon 9. Now here we can see we can do this cross multiplication. 3 and 9. They are cancelled. So 3 1 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now 5 and 15, yes, they also can be cancelled. 5 1 is 5 and 5 5s are 15. Now in numerator we have 1 multiplied by 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 upon, in denominator we have 1 here and 3 here. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So 5 upon 3 is our answer. Okay, right? Now come to part number C. Part number C, we have 3 fractions. No problem, we can do it. 4 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 5. We have copied it down. 4 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Now here we see which denominators and numerators can be cancelled out. So first we are saying that here is 7 and here is 14. We know that 7 1 is 7 and 7 2s are 14. Now see for the other numerator and denominator which can be cancelled out. Yes, 4 and 8. 4 1 is 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now, which can be cancelled? Exactly, 2 and 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. Is there anything which can be cancelled out? No. Now we see what are in the numerators. 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 1 2 is 2 and 2 1s are 2. So we will write numerator 2 upon. Now in denominator we have 1, 1 and 5. 1 1s are 1 and 1 5s are 5. So 2 upon 5 is our answer. Alright, now come to part D. In part D we have 3 fractions, but in one bracket we have 2 fractions. It is 7 upon 9 multiplied by bracket 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14 bracket close. You know that first we will solve the bracket. Let's do it. We have copied it down. 7 upon 9 multiplied by bracket 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14 bracket close. So first we will solve the bracket. In bracket it is 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 14. Now we know that for the addition they should be like fractions. Like fraction means their denominator should be same. But here 7 and here is 14. So what we can do? Yes, we can change 7 into 14. How? By multiplying this fraction by 2. So 7 2s are 14. So let's do it like this. 7 upon 9 as it is, multiply sign as it is, bracket as it is. Now 2 upon 7 multiply by 2, then plus 3 upon 14 will come as it is and bracket close. Now our next step will be 7 upon 9 multiply sign bracket 2 2s are 4 upon 7 2s are 14 and plus 3 upon 14. Now in bracket we have like fraction. We have same denominator, so we will simply add the numerator. 4 plus 3 will be 7 upon 14. Okay, now we will open the bracket. So it is 7 upon 9 multiplied by 7 upon 14. Now it is simple multiplication question. We can do this cross multiplication. See, is there any numerator and denominator which can be cancelled out? Yes, it's 7 1 is 7 and 7 2s are 14. So now in numerator what we have? 7 and 1. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 upon 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. So our answer is 7 upon 18. Okay. Now come to part number E. Here we have two brackets, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5. So we will solve first two brackets individually and then we will add the answers. Let's do it. So we have copied down the question. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 5 in one bracket plus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5 in other bracket. Now we will solve this bracket. See, is there any numerator and denominator which can be cancelled out? No. So we will directly do the multiplication of numerators. 2 1 is 2 and 5 3s are 15. It's 2 upon 15. Then plus sign will come as it is. Now come to the next bracket. Here it is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 5. See, is there any cross multiplication we can do? Any numerator and denominator can be cancelled out? No. So we will directly do the multiplication of numerators and the denominators. So 2 4s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 8 upon 15 of this bracket. Now in the next step, we will open the brackets. 2 upon 15 plus 8 upon 15. Now it is simple addition of like fractions. These are like fractions, so we will simply do the addition of numerators. 2 plus 8 are 10 upon 15. Okay. Now we have fraction 10 upon 15. Now 10 upon 15 can be reduced. Yes, they can be reduced by the table of 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So our answer is 2 upon 3. Got it? Okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's work. Do this neatly and nicely. Take care of yourself. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.